Hi guys, I just want to talk about what I've received from my pen pal Sharon in the post. What she's just recently done is sent me this wonderful crash course in Zines, and it made me think about the Zine that I made some time back out of tea bags. Now, obviously, a traditional Zine is something that you just make on one piece of paper. It's a great way of expressing yourself if you've got a point that you want to make, and I think this lovely book really does explain it really well. This was enclosed with her lovely letter to me, and she is going about making her own particular Zines. Now, I love the fact that you've got instructions in here and just methods and ways and purposes, so it gives you some really nice clear examples of how you can go about making your Zine. And this, I believe, she got when she went to her local library and done a workshop. She was hoping to do an exchange of Zines. Now, I hooked out from my collection this particular Zine. Now, this really is a tea bag Zine, and I just glued lots of tea bags. It's exceedingly busy, I fully understand that, and I done some stamping, and I just used the grain of the tea bags and just worked a mountain. I'd not long been to Thailand, and that was the particular inspiration as to why we've got this background going on this side. And I'd also wanted to work along with my Tim Holtz little die cuts here with these particular people, and I did lots of stamping, and as you can see, it doesn't work as well as the Zine as I'd hoped, but it was my interpretation. And obviously other people's interpretation is to like this particular one I've got here, which also Sharon sent to me, which is left ready for me to do my own inspiration, and it can just be whipped through a photocopier quite easily, and you can do this for yourself and fill out step 1, step 2, your steps. And I think I just wanted to share this small piece of inspiration, for this is something that I will be looking back at and attempting to make my own Zine, because time is a little bit on the precious side at present moment, and I want to tackle something that's a little bit smaller than a journal. Right guys, catch up with you soon. Bye bye.